The average directional index, ADX, is used to measure the strength or weakness of a trend, not the actual direction. Directional movement is defined by plus DI and minus DI. In general, the bulls have the edge when plus DI is greater than minus DI, while the bears have the edge when minus DI is greater. Crosses of these directional indicators can be combined with ADX for a complete trading system. Before looking at some signals with examples, keep in mind that Wilder was a commodity and currency trader. The examples in his books are based on these instruments, not stocks. This does not mean his indicators cannot be used with stocks. However, some stocks have price characteristics similar to commodities, which tend to be more volatile with short and strong trends. Stocks with low volatility may not generate signals based on Wilder's parameters. Chartists will likely need to adjust the indicator settings or the signal parameters according to the characteristics of the security. At its most basic, the average directional index, ADX, can be used to determine if a security is trending or not. This determination helps traders choose between a trend-following system or a non-trend-following system. Wilder suggests that a strong trend is present when ADX is above 25 and no trend is present when ADX is below 20. There appears to be a gray zone between 20 and 25. As noted above, chartists may need to adjust the settings to increase sensitivity and signals. ADX also has a fair amount of lag because of all the smoothing techniques. Many technical analysts use 20 as the key level for ADX. The chart on the screen shows Nordstrom, JWN, with the 50-day SMA and 14-day average directional index, ADX. The stock moved from a strong uptrend to a strong downtrend in April to May, but ADX remained above 20 because the strong uptrend quickly changed into a strong downtrend. There were two non-trending periods as the stock formed a bottom in February and August. A strong trend emerged after the August bottom as ADX moved above 20 and remained above 20.